Everything that could go wrong this morning's gone wrong. The shirt was the wrong size. The car didn't turn up for Melody. It took too long with her hair. We got here, we couldn't find the court. So this morning I got up, I was pretty excited, nervous, which is unusual for me. And I felt a bit bad as well because I'm remembering Melody's sister's wedding, and this is obviously the first time she's getting married, and it's my second time round, and I would have loved to have had the wedding that her sister had. She's just turned up, she looks absolutely beautiful. I'm really proud of her, she looks really lovely, which, you know, she does anyway, even without the makeup artist. But I'm a bit biased, aren't I? So we're about ready to go into the court. I'm nearly married, but not quite. I can't wait now. So see you later.
Today is a special day for you because you are about to enter a permanent union as a husband and wife. Christopher and Melody, are you ready to declare your intentions before this court? Melody, did you come here of your own free will without having been forced or intimidated to bind yourself forever in the love and service of Christopher? Christopher, did you come here of your own free will without having been forced or intimidated to bind yourself forever in the love and service of Melody?
Absolutely.
Since you wish to contract marriage and live together as husband and wife in the fulfillment of your love, please join your right hands and express your intentions before this court and in the presence of your witnesses. Melody, do you take Christopher here present as your lawfully wedded husband to love and to hold until death do you part? Do you give yourself to him as his wife? Christopher, do you take Melody here present as your lawfully wedded wife to love and to hold until death do you part?
Absolutely.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Absolutely.
That's good. Take it as now. Take this ring
Take this ring
as a token of my love
as a token of my love
and devotion to you,
and devotion to you,
for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness or in health, until death do we part. Melody, your answer, I accept. I ask. Take this ring following. Take this ring as a token of my love and devotion to you. For better or for worse. For better or for worse. For richer or for poorer. For richer or in sickness or in health. Until death do we part. Your answer, Christopher, I accept. By virtue of the authority vested upon me by the Republic of the Philippines, as presiding judge of this municipal trial court, and before your witnesses here present, I hereby pronounce you husband and wife. Okay, take two. Please.
must be the quickest wedding I've ever been to. And I've been to 1 or 2 weddings, including my own, and it was very fast and very emotional. And I just want to thank everybody that's turned up, and I was going to call you Kim then. Melody's mum and friends as well, who were actually witnesses today as well. And of course Edward, the cameraman, because with him being on the camera he gets left out a lot. So, Mr. and Mrs. Wren.
Yeah.
Chocolate.
Chocolate para sweet and forever. Forever and forever.
You need to let her eat all of it. All of it on the spoon.
Nana.
So, how was the new weds?
Brilliant. Everything's gone better than I thought it was going to go initially. And this is my beautiful life. I'm very happy. Are you happy?
Yes, very.
Yes, very.
Very.
Very happy. Thank you.
sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping